Check this out. This is my favorite new material. It's called ColorCore by a company called King Plastics. And this stuff is amazing. You can see here it cuts like butter. It's super crisp. And the best part about it is there's zero finishing required. You take this off the CNC and it's ready to go. It's a product that's totally stable outdoors and it'll last forever. No finishing, no painting. Because it has a 0.05 veneer of whatever color you want, it comes in some standard colors, and you can, if you have a really large order on the order of thousands of pounds, you can get custom colors as well. But certainly with the standard colors, once you engrave, you expose whatever the interior color is. Now, the obvious use for this is signs, which is what you see me doing here. But I'm really excited about the potential for doing much more creative things. Everything from furniture to art. Somebody actually, I'm not sure who this was, but the manufacturer's rep sent me this image of a Miami parking garage where they did an entire facade with some really cool engraved ColorCore. And I think this is just the tip of the iceberg with what you can do with this. It's about $350 for a 3/4 sheet. They also offer 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch. And this company also offers the solid colors, which are often used for playscapes and things like that are a little bit less expensive as well. So check it out. I think this could be an especially good option for landscape architects and interior designers who want to do something a little bit different and a little bit more interesting. I'm especially curious if anyone can think of a project that would warrant about 3,000 pounds of neon colors, because I just really want that. And finally, if you want to learn more about ColorCore or any other material, I recommend going to our website, austincustomcnc.com, and at the top there's a link to a materials database where we keep this material as well as some rough pricing and suppliers, at least for Austin. All right, thanks for watching.